Bold textures command attention instantly, and mastering them gives your designs undeniable visual authority. How to design bold, repeating textures. Start by opening Photoshop and creating a new document around 1800 pixels square, providing enough room to build a strong repeating structure. Select the brush tool or a custom shape and paint a striking element in the center, using high contrast colors so the texture stands out clearly. Duplicate the layer several times and arrange copies across the canvas while holding Shift to keep rows aligned. Then use the Align options in the top panel to distribute